just for those who want to try these kinds of things, there's electrical in the walls. So you got to be really cautious and careful about how you use this Sawzall. So I'm not going to stand the Sawzall up and cut like this because I'll cut wires. I'm going to lay the Sawzall with the butt of this touching the wall as I cut through, and that way I'm only going to ride on top of the studs a ½ inch inside. The sheetrock is a ½ inch thick. I don't want my blade no further than a ½ inch inside the sheetrock.